Usemanzini umndeni emuva kokushona kukaPriscilla Willemse oneminyaka eyisishiyagalombili.
I feel very bad. Very, very bad. Because it's my brother's firstborn and she died in this situation. It's very bad. The family is broken. Heartbroken, really.
Yena labangani bakhe bebedlala eduze kwesitamkoko ngesonto ntambama. Umphakathi ufuna labathintekayo kulokhu bajeziswe.
We are very heartbroken for things what happened here. All around us you can see there's all over is Suris is flowing freely. And me myself, Mr. Lucas Waterboer, I have reported and nothing have happened. Still now. They have tried, but nothing happens.
Umasipala uthi uMatasa uzama ukulungisa isitamkoko. Umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana ukuhlaliswa kwabantu nezindaba zomdabu uthi kuzothathwa izinyathelo uma kutholakala ukuthi kube khona ubudedengu.
We note as a department the incident of Griquastad. I think for now it's still under investigation and we'll get the report from the police to determine if there was any negligence. But if we have to respond and make sure that we act if there was any negligence.
UPriscilla uzofihlwa kusasa.